Hey OhSo Fam, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little kind of a chill vibe hair review for you guys. I have been wearing this wig from Nadula hair for a couple days now, and I want to give you guys my overall opinion. I will walk you through, a little bit of my opinion as I experience it in this video. I really don't know how I'm going to edit it, but just know it's going to be 100% authentic. So if you guys are interested in checking out Nadula hair, I'll have all their information linked down below in my description box. Let me know in the comment section how you feeling about this hair thus far. She is so cute. I love this color. So with all that being said, y'all rock with me. Stay tuned. So this is how the hairline is looking right now, and baby, it needs some work. I did go in and lightly tweeze it, so the hairline, it could use some more tweezing as well, but I'm gonna wear it in the middle part, so it's not gonna be that much of a big deal. Another thing that I did off camera was I kind of added a little dark root to the hairline, so it has like a gradual effect. Hey you guys, so I'm looking a hot mess. Don't judge me. So this is day 2. It's the next day, and I'm sorry if you guys hear the traffic or whatever, but I digress. So I want to come in before I get ready to show you how this hair is looking. I tied the hair up really well last night, and I took a hot bath and everything, and this lace is still laid. She's still melted. The way I tied the hair up, I just pinned it up with like 3 clips. Put a satin bonnet on, and then I put a satin scarf on to just make sure my lace stayed laid. And this is what we got the next day. We got a little bit of a little crimp or a wave to it. I want to add some loose curls to this hair, so I don't know if I'm gonna film that or not. The 2 things that I noticed that I wanted to point out is that since it's so long, I believe it's 26 inches. I'll annotate on the screen if I'm wrong, but it's a lot of hair to deal with, so you can expect some slight tangling. And when I brush it, I notice it sheds. So I want to show you guys how it looks all curled in the natural sunlight really quick. So this is how she's looking. I only finger combed it out. I didn't use a paddle brush or anything. So yeah, let me give you guys a 360. My hair has been curled for almost 2 hours now. So as you guys can see, it's holding a curl extremely well, and I have been running my fingers through it like frequently. This is Nadula Hair's 13x4 99J straight wig. Y'all know, if y'all familiar with my channel, that I don't wear a lot of straight textures, but your girl trying to switch it up a little bit, so you are going to see more straight textures on my channel. Y'all know I'm a curly hair fiend by nature. But this particular straight wig, I'm head over heels for, not just because of color, y'all know, but I love a good wig that has versatility. As you guys can see, she's holding a curl very well, and I have had these curls in my hair for about 2 hours now, and these curls are still sitting, sis, and I've been running my fingers through it, you know, thinking that I'm real cute or whatever. So I'm definitely here for the versatility of this wig. You can have so many different styles about this unit. Talking about the cap construction, I do have a medium-sized cap construction, and I had no issue with it coming down from ear to ear. The hairline does need some manipulation, so you can go in and customize it to your liking. It's not super dense, but it's not really pre-plucked like that, so you will need to do some customization so you can have it suitable for your needs. To talk about the shedding and the tangling one more time, let me look at my brush, because you know she don't want to tell no lies. So looking at my brush, I only have maybe 3 to 4 strands of hairs in my brush, so that's good because I went in and I was brushing through this hair as I was curling it, so it doesn't shed crazy at all. And I feel like with the curls in it, I'm not getting any tangling, so I kind of like her better curl, but I'm more of a curly girl anyways by nature. Y'all know that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to take back, you know, what I said so far about the tangling. I will definitely say this wig is true to its length and density. 150% density, 24 inches, and baby, yes, it's giving. And y'all know I'm 5'2", so it's giving me like 26 inches. So you're definitely getting all the length and a great bang for your buck. Now, let me tell you the price of my particular unit. The price of this wig currently right now is $282.60. I feel like that's a good deal because you're getting your wig already custom colored, and I feel like this wig is going to definitely last you a year plus with proper care. I had a couple units from Nadula Hair before, and I didn't have any problems with those textures. You know, with all that being said, I'm in love, okay? This wig is giving me some nice fall vibes, but I also feel like this color is just year round, especially for me because y'all know how I feel about a good, you know, 99J or a red wig. It's just something that it does for me, okay? And everybody always loves this color on me, so let me know how you feel about this wig down below. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can hit me up in the comment section, or you can hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram is OhSo805, you know, follow your girl. And shout out to Nadula Hair for working with me. I always have a great experience with them, so if you guys are interested in checking them out, all their information will be linked down below in my description box. I gotta go get out, you know, in these streets, you know, do a few things, you know. Hence, you know, why she's looking a little bit extra cute today or whatever. I asked you guys on Instagram, you know, zooming in on the makeup look a little bit, if you guys wanted to see more makeup content on my channel, and I'm probably going to try to get into doing some reels and things like that on Instagram as well. So if you guys want to see makeup content, you know, you can let me know by commenting down below, or you can just give me a thumbs up, you know. But I want to talk to you guys, so I love, you know, a little comment. If you have a particular kind of makeup look, you can share that with me as well. But once again, y'all, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.